Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make jelly. Start by sterilizing jars and preparing fruit. Measure 2 cups fruit, sugar, and 1 packet of pectin, then assemble tools. Heat fruit gently, mash, and strain if you want clear jelly. Add pectin and bring to a rolling boil while stirring constantly for 1 minute. Skim foam, ladle into jars, seal, and process in a boiling water bath to finish. Pick ripe fruit with good flavor and balanced acidity for best results. For tart jelly, choose crabapple or red currant, and for sweet jelly, pick Concord grapes or strawberries. Use 3 to 4 cups of fruit per batch and taste before adding sugar. Mash or juice fruit and strain for clarity, or keep pulp for a rustic texture. Adjust sugar to balance sweetness and follow pectin instructions closely. If you are enjoying this video, please subscribe and like to help the channel grow. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth can change how you think about money and may free up funds for fun projects like canning. It's a simple read that helps you prioritize saving and investing so you can fund hobbies and tools. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Heat fruit, sugar, and pectin together, stirring constantly to avoid scorching. Bring the mixture to a full rolling boil and maintain it for 1 minute so the pectin sets properly. Cool a small spoonful on a plate to test gel, or use a thermometer to reach 220 degrees F. Remove from heat, skim off foam, and fill jars leaving 1/4-inch headspace, then seal and process to preserve safely.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.